Alright, hello everybody, welcome to our assignment here, clinical psychology diagnosis. So you will be selecting either 2 or 4 cases that are listed in the document I'm going to show you here in a little bit, and then you'll provide a therapy treatment for that clinical psychology diagnosis, either psychoanalysis, humanistic, cognitive, behavior, or biological, and be sure to support your decision. So you have the attachment here, the case studies. You have the clinical psychology diagnosis PowerPoint, which you'll use to submit. This will be the thing you submit. And then you have the different types of therapy PowerPoints that you see here. So these are the different case studies. All right, so it tells you what to do here with that. You can select one of these case studies that you find interesting to you. It doesn't matter which one, just whatever one you think would be an interesting one to diagnose and help the person with, and that'll help you with your assignment. Again, pick 2 or pick 4 of them, and then choose a clinical psychology therapy diagnosis for them, and explain why you came to that decision.